Hey, how's it going? John Dorsey here, work with JohnD.net. And in this video, I want to talk about the essential pieces or the things you need to have a successful, thriving business online, to grow a business and to have a successful, thriving business online. If you've been on my list for a while now, so you know that I'm part of the 4% Success Challenge. And what makes this program key to your having your breakthrough when it comes to making money online is because it provides the key elements that you need to grow a business to the $10,000 a month mark, $100,000 mark, and even to a million. That's if you dare to attempt to get to that level. And what those key elements are is, one, you need a business. So in the sense of the 4%, the business isn't necessarily a make money online or opportunity like a business opportunity. The business is that you're an affiliate of whatever product you want to be affiliate of. So you can be an affiliate of the 4% Challenge. You could be an affiliate of a ClickBank product. You can be an affiliate of a network marketing company. Whatever it is, the product doesn't necessarily matter that much, but you do need something to sell. And not only does the 4% Challenge provide you with a product or a system or a blueprint to sell anything online, the 4% Challenge itself also offers multiple streams of income. See, most people are building a business where they are selling one product, so they're relying on one product to give them their breakthrough. But when you set up a system through, or you set up your business the way that you're being shown to set up one through the challenge, you'll have multiple streams of income. So you're not relying on any one income stream. And you know, a smart person knows that if you try to build a table with one leg, the table will fall over. It's only a matter of time. With two legs, yeah, it's a little bit more stable, but it's still going to fall over. Three legs, now it can potentially stand most things, but at four legs, this table is pretty sturdy, and it'll take a lot of work to knock this table over. And you being the table, and those are four legs representing different income streams that you have coming in. And not just four, we're talking five, six, seven, eight, many multiple streams of income coming in. So you're not relying on one thing like most people are online. So like I said, one thing you need is a business. The next thing you need is a marketing system. Uh, through the 4% Challenge, they offer or they recommend using ClickFunnels. I don't use ClickFunnels. I use MLSP's funnel builder called the Funnelizer. And it doesn't matter what you use, as long as it's a reliable, very good funnel system that you can count on. So you can use the ClickFunnels that's within the challenge, or you can use, but I'm using MLSP Funnelizer, and you can find the links for that on my blog, or you can use whatever you're using or want to use, as long as it makes good high quality capture pages, and it's a reliable platform. Okay, so you need a business, you need a marketing system. The next thing you need is a support group, and they do have a support group. This is the 4% Challenge closed group, and you can only get in this challenge, as far as I know, only members can get into this into the group. As you see, this is a private invite only group. So you typically have to be a member of the challenge or some kind of insider within the challenge. Now you're working with me, so technically you are an insider because I'm showing you behind the scenes. But if you're not going through the challenge yourself, you're not going to get a lot of information, because a lot of the stuff in here is a lot of testimonials. A lot of people showing their results. As you can see, somebody right here is using ClickFunnels, and they've made almost $650. This was 3 hours ago. This is what I'm saying, is that these things come together to build you a strong business. And the other thing that you need is personal development training. This is where you this is like mindset training, mindset development, because this industry is filled with ups and downs, just like life is filled with ups and downs. And if you don't have the proper mindset, if you don't have your head screwed on straight, if you don't have the proper focus, you're not going to follow through. You're not going to go through the steps. You're not going to do what you need to do. And you're not going to do what you know that you need to do to get the result. And the last thing you need is traffic. And I know you've gotten many emails from me talking about traffic and traffic generation, and you'll be getting more blog posts of that. And what I use is udemy.com, trafficforme.com, and Traffic Authority, and you can find the links for that on my blog. But the reason for this video is for you to take the next step if you haven't already, and that is get into the challenge, because this has the potential to change your online business forever. Just like it's changed mine, because for years and years and years, I struggled, did the wrong things, built my business the wrong way. But going through this challenge gave me more focus, gave me more more clarity as far as what I need to do, how I need to do it, and the ability to just follow through. And really, all I do is just drive traffic, follow up with you via emails, and just rinse and repeat. Just that cycle over and over again. So at the button below this video, click it. You'll be taken to the video where Vic goes into with the state of affiliate marketing, why you need to think outside the box, the 3 things you need to focus on or need to have to build a high quality, profitable affiliate marketing business online. And then you'll be challenged to take the challenge. So that's at the button below this video, and I'll see you on the inside.